Okay, so installing WordPress on AwardSpace here is pretty easy. You need to look for this Zaki installer and just click on the Zaki installer, and this will open up for you, and you basically click WordPress. Don't worry about these, just click next there. Now we come to this bit here, all-in-one migration, broken link checker, contact form, Google XML sitemaps, Updraft Plus, and I believe that is it. Then you click next. Now it comes to where you choose your domain. I've got various, so I'm just going to install it on Benecoins, one of the domains that I have, just to demonstrate. Okay, so I'm going to put an email here. And a password. Click next. Oh, what did I miss? Site title. I am an idiot. So we'll call this one Benecoins, and next. And of course it will come out with all of this details. I would recommend you copy and paste it and save it to a notebook or something like that. This is a good practice to get into, is saving items on a notepad, and saving those in a external hard drive. Click install now. And there you go, you should get an email with all the details. But basically, to get to your front end of your site, which is where everyone will see your site, would be the first link. And then to get to the back end of your site, which would be the admin area, you would go here. And log in from here. That's all from now, and we'll see you in the next video.